Hey guys, after the last subframe video we got into contact with Deano's Auto Restorations. He's that HKTG specialist. So we heard good reviews about his patch panels and we're going to go with rare spares, but apparently the quality of Deano's is really good, so that's where we went. And they've rocked up now, so we're just going to do an unbox and show you what we got for the subframe. So we got a lot of bubble wrap. So this looks like it goes under the rail where the twin headlight is, so just underneath, so the bottom bit. It's like a pillar. It's got his cool sticker on it, so just telling us that it's handcrafted and all that sort of stuff. It's another bit of the pillar, and the last bits are the inner guard. So I'm going to show you where these are all located now, just to show you the quality of it. It's really nice. You can tell that someone's put a lot of effort into making these. So this is the bit for the inner guard. That's where that one goes right there. And then they're all left hand, right hand side, they're all different, so I'm not quite too sure which side this one is for the underneath, but you can see that it's been cut so you can modify it to suit the front end in case of different variations between the builds. So this just cuts out there, and then that one will be slotted in, welded to suit. Again, it's got all the pre-drilled marks and it's all come primed so it won't be rusting. Now I'm going to put the subframe down and I'll show you where the pillar bit goes. So we have actually bought some parts off rare spares and that as well, but we thought we'd give Deano's Autos a go for this. So just to show you that bit that's all cut away and has rusted and all that. That's the new bit. Oh, it's on that side. And that's the new bit. And then that one's just that top piece there. So there's probably slight variation between the designs, but they'll all go on. So the idea is, or the plan of attack is that we're going to be removing the dash, the interior, and the windscreen and the rear window out of the prem in the next video, and then we'll get cracking on the subframe doing the cutting and welding into place of the patch panels. We'll need a few more, so that's all to come in the next few weeks. So thanks for watching guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.